You guys, I'm so excited. We have a package from Colourpop. It says Colourpop main character energy. You guys, Colourpop Cosmetics has come out with hair colors. I'm so excited that they reached out to me and asked if they could send me some of their new colors. Look at this box. Okay, we're gonna go through this and then we're going to apply it onto this hair. As you guys know, I was red. I did just do a bleach bath on my hair. If you want to know how to do that, I do have videos on it. I'll try to remember to link them here for you or down in the description box. Let it sit for about 20 minutes and I got to this pink color, which is fine because there's color in here we're gonna use. They have 6 shades in total right now. I do hope that they come out with additional shades. They sent me 3. The first one they sent me is in Chestnut. It is a beautiful auburn color. That's what it looks like in the bottle. And what's really cool about what they did is every shade that they created a tint for, they actually created a conditioner touch-up treatment to go with it. So this is the conditioner touch-up treatment that goes with the chestnut. But with my understanding, I think that you could also use the conditioner treatment as a more muted version of this color. So it would be like a pastel diluted down version, which is really cool. So that's chestnut. They also sent turquoise. And with that, we got to the turquoise conditioner. And then we got peach. As well as the peach conditioner. I'll just open one up here for you. I didn't open the other ones. But you can see that this is just a lighter version of the peach color. They didn't end there. They also came out with hair clips to match every color. So I got the peach, the turquoise, as well as the chestnut. So before we start to apply this on our hair, let's talk about pricing. The actual tints themselves will retail for $14. The conditioning treatments will retail for $16. And the fancy little hair clips will retail for $5. Today, because my hair is already pink, and I love pink, and this pink, it just looks vibrant and awesome, I'm going to do a shadow root using the turquoise, and the rest of my hair is going to be the peach. That's what we're gonna do. I'm going to basically split through my hair, do all of my roots everywhere, the turquoise color, and then just bring the peach right through to my ends. So this part will speed up and add some music and just watch the magic happen. I do really like that they made the actual tub big enough that you don't need to put it in a bowl. You can just dip your brush in it. Good job, Colourpop. I like that feature. Okay, you guys, I think the root color is all in. This is what it's looking like everywhere. So now I'm going to take this amazing peach and just bring that through the rest of my hair, absolutely everywhere. Again, like this is a huge brush and I love how I can dip it right in to the tub. I don't have to put it into one of my color bowls. Awesome job on the design of the packaging, Colourpop. So this part, because I'm really just putting it on the rest of my hair that doesn't have color on it, I'm just mixing it into my hair. I will drag it through with my hands, make sure it's all saturated that way, instead of actually like really sectioning this part. I don't mind if some of the pink does go in with the turquoise. It'll make it some kind of purpley color, if anything. I kind of want to melt the colors together, so I'm going to mush them and kind of drag them through each other anyways once it's all in. So if you're wondering why I'm doing this part so kind of willy-nilly, well, that is why. We're saving time. Oh, I love this peach color. It is like the perfect coral pink. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, you guys, I think the color is all in. Let me turn to the side so you guys can kind of see, and to the back. You can see how the ends are pink and the roots are like that turquoise color. Oh my goodness. We are going to let this sit for probably, I don't know, half an hour, and then we will be back. You guys, the hair is finished. Let's bring you in. The turquoise color definitely looks turquoise. That peachy pink, oh my goodness. I think it looks amazing. The colors melded together. I think they look great. We've got the shadow root happening. My hair feels so soft. And it looks super shiny. Let's spin you around. All I did was use my round blow dry brush and I blow dried it. I didn't run the flat iron through it or anything like that. And this is how it's looking. I think it's going to look really good with updos and stuff. You get the shadow root, which adds the dimension. Let's just try something here. We're just going to do a little whoop-de-whoop with a clip. Pull some hair up, create some volume. We'll pull a little bit down around the sides, like so. And we have a little updo. I am extremely impressed with the brand new Colourpop Cosmetics hair color line. Wait, you guys, I didn't even bust open these hair clips. We gotta do that. So I did the peach and the turquoise. I'm gonna open up the turquoise ones. How did I forget to do this? Ooh, it's like a soft It's not like a super hard plastic, but it's not like a rubber either. I don't know how to explain what that feels like. They're super cute, and we gotta throw that in there. I would like to thank Colourpop Cosmetics for sending these beautiful shades my way. If you are interested, they are live today as this airs on Colourpop Cosmetics website. I will leave the link down below. If you're not already a part of the Men's Beauty family, what are you waiting for? Head down there, hit subscribe. If you'd like to be notified of upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.
Fabulous.
That's gonna be in there.